Welcome to my hometown, back in Singapore. We'll be having high tea here today. Currently, we are around like 55 floor heights at Ion Orchard. Here offers stunning view of the entire Singapore city. However, you are seeing nothing if you haven't seen the food. They are serving high-end luxury bites, and I'm gonna show you a menu right that starts with a lobster and ends with a surprise hack. This will definitely be the richest high tea in the city. Do you know right that back in the day during the Britain time, high tea is actually not a luxury thing. It's like a light meal between lunch and dinner. But right now, right, it becomes like an experience. As Singapore is highly influenced by the British in the past, we are also very keen on high tea, and we have turned this into a luxury experience over time. And combining with all the small innovating dishes that Asians like to create, high tea has become like a blind box with lots of surprise. You never know what you're gonna eat until it's being served. Alright, our high tea is finally being served. I'm gonna drag back and look at how beautifully this whole plating is, or the little design. It's like the fusion of the Asian and the Western. Asian, right, is very clear there's some Japanese element inside, and Western side there's a lot of cakes, more bites. While we're having sweets and carbs, you can have your tea to flush it down and enjoying your great view at the same time. So the first bite, we will start with the lobster sushi. It's a small one, but look at the color, it's definitely sweet and fresh. Following up, we will be having this fried fish cake, a clever fusion move. It's so local, but the presentation has greatly enhanced it. Next, we'll be moving to a chocolate cake. It's rich, it's dense, strong cacao flavor. It has been cleverly designed that everything is a bite size, exactly just nice into your mouth. Next up is a contra. We will be having this strawberry based cheesecake to contra with the chocolate. It's sour and sweet, very nicely balanced with the cacao taste. Next is a very interesting little peach bun with red bean filling inside. It's a very Chinese thing that we always had, but of course it's very cute, right? Moving along is this banana cake. It's a very comforting flavor. The only thing that I don't really like is it's kind of sweet for me. But this next one is really nice. It's a sesame based milk cake, and it's very nutty and creamy with a very unique taste. Then we are going to change the gear into something salty. This is a big fried prawn. It's crispy and juicy, everything mixed inside into one bite. And we'll be ending this with a mini lobster filled tart, the luxury end to a luxury meal. It might be small, but it's definitely packed with lots of flavors inside. Let's end the video with some ice cream as dessert. Singapore is definitely a sweet city with lots of sweets to offer. We will be having more food and travel vibes soon, so be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content.